Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl All Things Shannon. Today I'm here to share with you how I made this delicious chicken piccata. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, share with your family and friends, and leave a comment. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell. It will let you know each time I post a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at All Things Shannon. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half and I cleaned and dried. Now I'm seasoning with season all, garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, and cayenne pepper. Now you want to season the other side. Now it's time to dredge our chicken into the flour. After you dredge your chicken into the flour, set aside until it's time to fry. It's just like frying chicken. To my pan, I added extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to fry the chicken. Let the chicken fry until golden brown and fully cooked. This is how the chicken is looking so far. Now I'm turning it over, and that is the look that you want. Nice golden brown. The chicken breast is not that thick because I did cut them in half. So you can let these cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side on medium heat. This is how the chicken is looking so far. These are pretty much done. I'm going to take these out and put these on my baking rack so the excess grease can come off, and then we'll finish up the rest. All the chicken is done. This is how it's looking. Crispy on the outside but fully cooked on the inside. To my pan, I added just a little bit of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Let these get tender. Try not to burn your garlic. Now that the garlic is tender, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour. This is going to be the thickening for the sauce. Now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth. With the back of my spoon, I'm just smoothing out the garlic and the flour. Now I'm adding fresh lemon juice. I'm adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm adding capers. Now I'm seasoning the sauce with the same spices I used to season the chicken, and that is the seasoned all garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, and cayenne pepper. Now I'm adding the chicken. I'm adding parsley and lemon slices. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat until the sauce thickens. And you don't have to put a lid on top. Okay guys, there you have it. This is how my chicken piccata turned out. You can serve this with your favorite glass of wine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your family and friends, and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell. It will let you know each time I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at All Things Shannon. Until next time, bye guys.
But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something